Hi everyone, my name is Rajkumar. I'm doing Bachelor in Manufacturing Management at Open University, Malaysia. Today I'm going to discuss about my assignment, which is Quality Management. For this assignment, I have selected the organization which I am working currently. It is MFS Technology Sdn Berhad. MFS Technology Sdn Berhad is a manufacturing and assembling high complexity, value-added, single-sided, double-sided and multi-layer flexible printed circuit board. We offer a broad range of products and services in support of electronic industry in the global market, including automotive and medical devices. Our products and services must meet the quality, diverse market, and the technical requirement of broad spectrum of products. Our quality and environment safety and health manual define the objective and procedures currently in place to ensure compliance with customer quality, environment, safety, health and service requirement, the company's quality, safety, health and safety goals, the applicable national, international, statutory, regulatory requirement, especially for the product supplied to medical device industries. The Quality, Environment, Health and Safety Management System of MFS Technology, Sdn Berhad, is established in full compliance with the international standard of ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001 and AS 9100. Development of TQM implementation plan at MFS Technology. The management representative shall regularly liaise with appointment management system certification body and training consultant to identify latest changes and development in the TQM, QMS, EMS, OHSMS specification, including regulatory requirement relevant to automotive, medical devices, environmental and OSH. This shall be done at least once per year. The renewal of management system certificate to ensure prompt response and full compliance. The top management shall perform periodic reviews and audits in order to ensure the planning of the total quality management system is carried out to comply with the specification of ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485, ISO 14001 and OSAS 18001, as well as the quality, environmental, health and safety objective and the relevant statutory regulatory requirements. The top management shall ensure that the integrity of QEHS management system is maintained when changes to the TQM, QMS, EMS and OHSMS are planned and implemented. These involve carefully planned management review, audit plan, and process control management plan. For IATF 16949 and AS 9100 QMS, the planning began with the execution of product risk management for products supplied to automotive and aerospace industries with compliance to all relevant regulatory requirements. For ISO 13485 QMS and AS 9100, the planning began with the execution of product safety risk management for products supplied to medical devices and aerospace industries with compliance to all relevant statutory and regulatory requirements. MFS have to establish document procedure to identify risk or hazard associated with these products and establish risk control plan to continuously monitor the effectiveness of all control measures. For EMS, the planning begins with the execution of environmental safety and impact evaluation and legal and other requirement assessment. MFS have to establish MFS have to establish documented procedure to identify the environmental aspect of its activities, products, and services within the scope of EMS that it can control and those that it can influence, taking into account life cycle purposes, planned or new developments, or new or modified activities, products, and services. This is to determine those aspects that have or can result in significant impact to the environment. For OHSMS, the planning began with the execution of occupational hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control and legal other requirement assessment. MFS have to establish documented procedure to identify the risk aspect of its activities, product, services within the scope of OHSMS that it can be controlled and those it can be influenced, taking into account planned or new developments or new or modified activities, product, and services. This serves a guidance to employees and employers in relation to hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control in the workplace. Problem analysis and proposed solution. Problem number 1. There is no documented method to conduct failure analysis to anticipate, resolve, or monitor potential non-conformities in order to prevent reoccurrence in the NPD stage or mass production. Proposed solution for problem number 1. A process FMEA should be conducted during quality planning and before beginning production. From time to time, the FMEA review and update as appropriate as determined by the process engineering department head or delegate person based on the following concerns: customer complaints, high process and quality fallout rate, process is changed and becomes unstable or incapable, at least once a year review based on the last revision date. Problem number 2. There is no proper procedure to define and describe the methods of establish a control system for controlling all identified significant characteristics of specific new product and its process parameter, in fact to minimize process and product variation. Proposed solution for problem number 2. Create control plan procedures to determine the sequence of processes and sub-processes to achieve the conformity of product. The control plan should be prepared at the following stages: pre-launch, a description of dimensional measurement, material and performance tests and that will occur after prototype and before mass production if necessary. Production, a comprehensive documented of product process characteristics, process control, test and measurement system occurring during mass production. Conclusion. Total quality management is the better system to help the company to produce high quality product or services to meet the consumer's requirement. Total quality management has given business a new avenue on to improve products and services. Total quality management also creates a better work environment for the workers. The effective total quality management increases the revenues for the company by focus more on the needs of the consumers. Thank you everyone.